Okay, so here also I have completed my another part like this. So we have two parts now. Now to make it into a drawstring bag, I'll flip onto the wrong sides. I mean wrong sides inside and right side upside, and we have to stitch the three of the parts. Right, starting from this corner till here, this corner, second corner, from second to third and third to fourth, and we will keep one side open. This side we will keep open. So let's start with the similar color. I'll make it with the green color here. Okay, I'm inserting my hook in this, in these two corners together here, and I'll make a chain stitch. Take it up. Now, in the very first corner stitch and the corner stitch from the second part of our drawstring bag, I'll make a slip stitch. So likewise, I'll take both of the loops from the front square and the back square, and I'll make a slip stitch. So I'll keep making slip stitch like this by taking every single stitch. Do not miss any of the stitches, otherwise it would not give a proper shape to your hand, to your drawstring bag. So I'll complete all the corners, and in the corner you have to make two slip stitches. In every corner you have to make two slip stitch here, two slip stitch here, and two slip stitch here. I'll see you after end of this round. So here I am almost done with my three corners, and I'm here in the last corner with two slip stitches. So as you can see, this only this side is open, and all the three sides I have joined with the help of slip stitch. Now what I'm going to do is, we have to make one single crochet in every stitch around. So chain one single crochet first in this gap here, and then one single crochet in each of the stitches around. So in this round we will finish where we have started, means here. So after completing one single crochet in all of these stitches, I'll see you at the end of the round to tell you what we have to do next. So here I've completed one round of single crochet each in each of the stitches. For the next round, which I have to make for the drawstring one, I'll make three chains up, which will count as one double crochet, and one chain for one chain gap. Skipping one stitch here down here, I'll make one double crochet, one chain, skipping one stitch here. In the next stitch I'll make one double crochet, one chain, skipping one stitch down here. In the next stitch I'll make one double crochet. So likewise I'll complete this round. I'll see you at the end of the round to show you the last round, which will be of one single crochet in each of the stitches. But let me complete till here. I'll tell you what we have to do next. Okay, so here I've almost completed this, and I'll finish this round by making a slip stitch in the third chain stitch, which we have made at the start for one double crochet, 1 2 and 3 here. So we have completed this round to put the drawstring. Now the last round would be one chain up, one single crochet in the same chain stitch, and then one single crochet in all the stitches around, including the double crochet. So it is basically one single crochet inside the one chain gap and one single crochet on the top of one double crochet, like this. One single crochet inside this, one single crochet on the top of it. Likewise, I'll complete this round, and I'll see you at the end of the round to show you how we have to make drawstring and insert it, the final part of our drawstring bag. So here I've completed this round with a slip stitch on the very first single crochet that we have made. I'll make one small chain up and a long tail. I'll hide this tail afterwards. So far our work looks like this. Now let's start for the drawstring and the tassels, and I'll also add one bead on the tassels here. Okay, so here I have made a drawstring of 120 chains, and I've also added a tassel here. I'll show you how I've added this tassel here. Now we will start inserting this right from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So right between 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 from the center here. Or you can insert it with the help of this needle as well. Okay, so I'll insert it like this. Alternate double crochets. Okay, so it is like this. Now how I have made this tassel is like this. I have taken two strings of each color. Now I'll tie it from bottom, from here, from the middle side. I'll do it like this, and I'll tie it like this. Now I'll pick up one strand, and I'll obviously cut the uneven part from here. I'll tie it like this, just behind this. Yes. And with the help of the crochet hook, I'll take the extra part inside like this. All the extra part I'll cover it here. And now I'll cut the uneven part, this holding this uneven part here. So my tassel will look like this. And then I will insert, I'll add one bead, the white bead over this. So I'll insert my needle from bottom side, from inside side, and I'll take it up, I'll bring it up, and I'll add this bead here, like this. This is how you have to add, and it will be like this. And after this I will add this portion here with the help of the ring, and it will look like this. Here I've attached both the tassels, and now I'll tie it like this to make it a drawstring, and that's it. Our drawstring bag is ready. So I hope you like this tutorial. Go ahead and try to make one. I know it's a bit long tutorial, and I might divide this tutorial into three parts or two parts, but go ahead and try this very easy pouch or a drawstring bag which you can give as a giveaway gift as well. And do let me know how you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my videos. Thank you.